In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a Facebook post designed to Instagram post size in Figma Fast 2025 guide. If you design something for Facebook and you need it to fit Instagram's square format, this walkthrough will get you there quickly and cleanly using a Figma plugin. To keep your original safe, I recommend working on a duplicate of your design so you can always roll back if needed. First, you'll want to install a resizing plugin from the Figma community. Two great options are Image Resizer and Aspector. Open the community inside Figma, search for the plugin name, and click Install. Plugins are lightweight and free to add, and using one is much faster and more consistent than manually dragging handles, especially when your design includes multiple elements, images, and text. Next, select the frame or the specific layers you want to resize. In most cases, it's best to select the main frame that holds your Facebook post so all nested elements scale together. If your design uses auto layout or constraints, that's fine. Just be aware that those settings can influence how items reflow as the size changes. Grouping related items before resizing can also help keep everything in place. Now open the plugin. You can do this from the top plugins menu or by right-clicking on your selection and choosing the plugin from the context menu. If you're using Image Resizer, look for a preset like Instagram Post and select it. This typically targets a square format such as 1080 by 1080 pixels. If you're using Aspector, choose a 1:1 aspect ratio and let the plugin adjust the dimensions to match that square format. Both approaches aim to maintain the look of your design while shifting it to the correct proportions. When you're ready, apply the resize command. The plugin will transform your selection instantly. After it updates, do a quick scan of your layout, check that photos aren't stretched, key elements remain centered, and text stays readable. If you notice any small shifts, nudge elements back into place or scale individual items slightly. Vector elements and shapes should scale cleanly. Raster images may need a quick reposition if they were tightly cropped before. To finish, preview the result at 100%, zoom to confirm sharpness and alignment. If you plan to export, set your export size to 1x or 2x as needed so the final file looks crisp on mobile. And that's it. With a simple plugin and a few clicks, you've resized your Facebook post design to an Instagram-ready square in Figma, fast and confidently.